So let's check out this one first. Again, this is the Go S carry case, which I believe should work with either one because they're the same footprint, whether you're on Windows or Steam. We'll check it out here. And I don't know exactly, I guess it just comes like this. I got these all in the same kind of box, so I don't know if there's a bigger box beyond this, but here's the case itself. Nice, and that nice little mesh kind of finish here with our classic hexagon elongated style there and the Legion logo imprinted on the side. You've got just a nice slim case there. You've also got this little instruction manual with the shiny Legion logo on there, and not a whole lot of information, but there's some on there if you want to read about the tailor-made protection and the all-weather ready with spill-resistant PU fabric. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't know what PU stands for, but it sounds important. So it basically protects against accidental spills and weather. So it's somewhat waterproof, it seems like, which is nice. And yeah, just has a really nice fleece inner liner to keep the screen of Legion Go S protected and scratch free. Boom. Let's check that out. See what it's like. It's a sticky kind of material. This doesn't feel sticky, but I could see that, yeah. All right, so here's the inside of the case as well. Got some silica gel. That's complimentary, of course. You get the carrying case instructions, all the support stuff if that matters to you. And yeah, that's it here. So you've actually got some little sleeves here. This kind of reminds me of like back in the day, there was a lot of these cases for like, you know, your Game Boys and things. You'd get packs like this, but you have actual kind of spots to put things here. And then the actual Go goes here. So if I take this off, I would imagine you kind of just place it in like that, and boom, you've got a nice carrying case for that. You can probably also put certain things down there. I don't know if it'll work with the charger. I feel like that's probably what this is for. Let me see. I have a charger behind me. Hang on. I'm gonna see if it'll fit with the charger as well. Let's check. In my vault of sorts back here. All right. Oh, here you go. Thank you, Strizanity, for educating me on the things I didn't know. So I got the glasses too, because I mentioned the glasses. I do have these here if you have questions about them. But the charger's here too. I don't have it nicely braided up right now because I was using it for a video I shot on Friday. But I can kind of bundle it up here a little bit. Not the nicest way to do this, but I think it seems like it probably will fit with the charger if you position it right, which would be nice because then you could just have an all-in-one case like that as well. What are the glasses? The Legion glasses Gen 2, they are AR glasses. So basically, two little screens are inside the glasses. If you look kind of down here, a little hard to see with the camera right now. Let me zoom in for you. So you can really see what I'm talking about. And put the autofocus on. Hang on. I'm on autofocus. Where are you? There we go. Okay. Yeah, there's two little screens in there. A little hard to see. I could actually, the best way to show this is if I plug in the cable. So let me find a USB-C cable, which I surely must have around here somewhere. With all the cables I have floating around. I think it's over here. There we go. Okay, got a USB-C here. So the way they plug in, these are the actual ends of the cable of the glasses here. You literally just plug a USB-C in right here, like that, and then this connects to anything you want to. So I'm gonna plug it into Legion Go actually. Let me zoom out again, just to demo what I'm doing here. Just plug it into the top of Legion Go. And actually, I don't know if I've tried this with the Steam version. Usually it's with the Windows. It might have to be Windows. Let me just do my phone to kind of demonstrate what I'm doing for now. Because it basically just can replicate your screen on the glasses. So this works with your phone or with Windows devices. I don't know about Steam because that's running on the what am I blanking on the software that's on the Steam one. Basically, it probably works better with Windows. Let me make sure these are actually on. I haven't used them in a hot minute. But you should have to, usually like when you plug it in your phone, you have to get the screen mirroring option when you plug it in. And then the two screens kind of light up on the inside here and just extend the screen from your phone or your Legion Go or your laptop or anything to the glasses themselves, essentially. And that's how it works. They're probably just charging up a little bit because I haven't used these in quite a bit, but that's typically how they work. We dropped the price tag though. I'm sure there'll be sales now and then. But yeah, they're pretty cool. I've got a lot of questions about them. I think Dino's been doing some good videos with them, so that's probably why people are seeing those. And not just Dino, some of the other creators as well. But they're pretty fun to use. They came out earlier this year, and I think there's something coming with these in the summer. Something I can't really reveal exactly yet, but something with these soon. It's the most I can say for right now. That sounds good. Do they work on SteamOS Go? That's what I'm not sure about, Anti. I'm not actually sure. I think they probably should. You might have to get out of the game mode possibly, but I would think you could probably still extend the display even though you're on Linux, if I had to guess. I'm not sure why they're not turned on for me currently. I think they may just need to charge up for a bit since I've not used them in quite some time. But yeah, we can look at those in a little if you want to. Anyway, for the actual, back to the case here itself. Let me zoom back out here. So I wanted to test if you could actually put this in here with the unit itself. I think this can probably slide in there. It's gonna be a little bit tight, but I think you probably could. It's looking promising. Like this. Let's see. Our zipper here. Boom, there you go. Look at that. In there with the actual charger as well. So all in one if you want to take your Legion Go S around with you. And also have the charger. That's pretty nice. This can kind of fit in the sleeve there. And then you can also put like, I would say games, SD cards, I guess, if you want to have those in there. Or maybe like some earphones if you use those, because it does have an earphone jack on the Legion Go S. That's an option for you as well. Pretty cool. Which is nice because if you guys had the base Legion Go, you actually couldn't fit the charger into the case that comes with the Legion Go, the base Legion Go. So it's nice that with this one, if you get it at least, you can actually fit both, which is pretty cool.